Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for anxiety relief. I'm Cynthia, and this practice is intended to help guide you into the deepest state of conscious rest, where your brain becomes calm and your body becomes quiet. Take a few moments to get comfortable, lying down in a quiet and peaceful location. Being in a comfortable position will help you to find the deepest states of relaxation possible. You may want to support your knees or your lower back, finding a comfortable position for your head. And then bring a comfortable, cozy blanket over you. Become aware of your eyes and take a big inhale and flutter your eyelids closed while taking a big exhale. Notice what you're feeling in the body in this moment. Notice what you're noticing. Notice any energy moving through different areas of the body. It may feel like a light or heavy or steady vibration. You may even feel buzzing in the body. Just be aware. Make any micro adjustments now to get even more comfortable as you continue to notice where you have energy or tension within you. Begin to imagine breathing into those areas of sensation. As you breathe in through the nose and then sigh out through the mouth, like waves on the ocean. We'll do this a few times. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Letting gravity relax you deeper on the long exhale. Inhale. Exhaling slowly. One more time, deep inhale. Long, slow, full exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Just observe the variations of each breath. As I begin to name different areas of the body, imagine a warm, radiant, golden light moving through the area as it's named. Move your awareness to the right side of the body. Imagine a warm, radiant, golden light moving through your shoulder, your right arm, your palm, your right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, your wrist, lower arm, upper arm, front of the shoulder, the right side of the chest and abdomen. Warm, radiant, golden light pouring through the right hip, right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, bottom of the foot, toes. Warm, radiant, golden light in the right hemisphere of the brain and the left hemisphere of the brain. Move your awareness to the left side of the body. Imagine warm, radiant, golden light moving through your shoulder, your left arm, your palm, your left thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, your wrist, forearm, upper arm, front of the shoulder, the left side of the chest and abdomen. Warm, radiant, golden light pouring through the left hip, left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, bottom of the foot, toes. Warm, radiant, golden light in the left hemisphere of the brain and the right hemisphere of the brain. Now the whole brain. Imagine warm, radiant, golden light pouring in from the crown of your head and flowing down through the back of your neck, down the shoulders and the back of the arms, through the upper back, mid-back, low back. Warm, radiant, golden light moving through the glutes, the back of the legs, the calves, all the way down to the toes. Warm, radiant, golden light now in the right hemisphere of the brain, simultaneously with the left hemisphere of the brain. The entire body relaxing with warmth. Let your breath move in its natural pace and visualize any residual tension becoming smaller and smaller, and then leaving your body and mind and disappearing forever. Becoming aware of your comfortable breath. Inhale, exhale. Let's welcome a sankalpa, an intention to connect from your heart. Repeat the sankalpa silently or say it out loud. I am grounded, stable, and present. I am grounded, stable, and present. I am grounded, stable, and present. Allow this intention to be felt in every cell in your body and mind. I am grounded, stable, and present. Allow your breathing to continue naturally, becoming aware of the deep state of relaxation that you're in. Aware of your conscious rest. Begin to bring awareness into the present moment. Now becoming aware of the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the difference between your temperature and the air around you. Become aware of any sounds or scent in the air. Feel the coolness of the air move in through your nostrils and warm air coming out. Coolness on your inhale, warmth on your exhale. Inhale deeper, feeling the chest expanding. Exhale completely. Feel the chest contracting. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Begin gently wiggling the fingers and the toes. And when you're ready, flutter the eyelids back open. Adjust here. Take your time to notice yourself in the room, your deep breath. Thank you so much for joining me for today's grounding yoga nidra practice. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. We read them all and respond to as many as we can. We teach many different yoga teacher training courses, and you can find them at yogasanctuaryacademy.ca. For other healing sessions, retreats, workshops, and classes, you'll find them at cynthiafunk.com. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you feel calm and centered, and that you have a wonderful day. Namaste.